My name is Martin Barajas. I work for El Centro Elementary School District, transportation supervisor for our district. I've been there for 8 years. What I like the best about the A to Z bus sales is the equipment that they sell. Like their buses overall, the way they're built and so forth. That's one of the top things. What it sets A to Z apart from their competitors is customer service, and mainly also on when we purchase parts. I know, and this comes from our mechanics. When we order from other dealerships, it takes a long time to get parts. With A to Z, I mean, it's like next day delivery if they have it in stock. Sometimes it's, and that's understandable that sometimes parts are sometimes hard to get. But for the most part, for most of the parts that we do purchase, we pretty much get them the next day. We thank you for that.